Hello, hello, hello. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Hello, am I audible or not? What just happened? Why it's not showing my video? I have to just edit the streamer. Hello, 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 hello. Why it got blue? Yeah. Why it got? Guys, just wait a minute. I let me check the stream. Wait a minute. I let me check the stream. Just wait a minute. I let me check the stream. Okay. Okay. So everything is okay. In my screen it's showing blue na, that's why I thought. In my screen it's showing blue na, that. So what happened here? My net just got off. So now I got the idea what was I doing. Sum of array, but uh sum of array we will suppose it will calculate the sum. How can I cannot like keep that max sum wala condition. Max sum is great, like sum is greater than max sum, then make max sum equals to sum. I cannot create that outside the for loop, like, because array obviously na that, like, if I create that, that will be of no use. So if max sum, if like sum is less than max sum, then what you have to do, you have to do max sum equals to sum. But what it will do, sorry, sum is greater than, what it will do, it will do like I guess I'm getting this, -2, so sum is -2 है ना. So -2, sum is -2, sum is greater than maximum, no, so maximum will be 0 only. Then 1 1, so sum your sum will be -1, sum will be -1, maximum will still be 0 only. Then -3, it will be what, it will be -4, uh, -4, maximum is still 0. And once it got 4, it sum will be 0 and maximum will be again 0. Then -1, no, it's not working, it's not working, bro. What is the problem here is key, when like if sum is like for first variable. अरे यार, let me just copy this array here, है ना. uh, so first element, it is storing sum as -2. तो हो क्या रहा है कि when it goes to 1, then the uh, like total sum will be -1, है ना, because it stored -2 the last time. But the maximum sum, like, what we have to do, if it is minus, like if I have to get the sum na, sum will be of positive numbers only. Like if I add any negative number, it will be less than the like last one. So if I got -2, then it is even less than 0, and we don't have to store -2, we have to store only positive value. Like if it is -2, sum is -2, then I have to drop that -2, and when it comes to -1 or this one or this +1, so we have to keep that 1, and then when go like go forward, है ना, then it will be -2 again, then it will be 4. Okay, got it. Then it will be -2, so what it will be, -2, I have to drop this. Then 4 is positive, then I will keep it, then 4 -1, so I will drop. If I drop this -1, then what will happen? If I drop -1, then we have to start from 2. What if we need 4? Okay, got it. So if the sum is like negative, है ना, negative, if sum is negative, what I'll do, I will make that sum 0, है ना. I guess it should work. if if your sum is what, if your sum is like negative, then make that sum 0. Will it work or not? It's working, bro. It's work. No, no, not something. It's working or not, bro? Working or not? 9. It's giving 9. Okay. 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 I guess I'm getting somewhere in this problem. If sum is negative, then make that sum equals to 0. And again check that if sum is greater than maximum, then make that maximum equals to sum. अरे यार हाँ ना. It is. I'm not returning anything. How will it print it? Return your maximum. Return maximum. Working or not? 6. Yeah. So guys, we have done this. Yeah, it is, I guess, correct now. Let me just check it with any other thing. Suppose we are -1 na. Let it be 1. So it should return what? It should in photos to 8. It should return 8. Oh no, 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 no. It's not working, bro. Acha, sorry. Yeah, I'm I'm omitting that array here in the comment, not here. So if I remove this minus, it should return 8. Yeah, it's working. So guys, we have done that. Required complexity is big O f n, which has been achieved. So yeah, Rohit, we have done that big O f n complexity. If you are watching, I know you are not watching. I can I type here something in this here. I will try. I will like what I'll do here. Scene 2. If I sorry. Can I make any text here? Color source. There is a option of text. Can I take any text? Text is questions. Okay. I got some questions done equals to 1. Nice. So let me just do it here. In this right way, like in the right side, I have lot of space. I can use it for chat also. But chat, why will I use for chat? No one is in the chat. Questions done is equals to 1. Yeah, we have achieved the we go of n. Let me just what let me just recheck. No, not what, array yaar, match with the like official. Let me just open your Chrome. Yeah. uh, Question done 1. This is it now. Maybe this is not good yaar. Okay, so let me just check the code, all the code what they have done. Brute force approach, I will not. Should I will try to check the code. I can understand the code better. For int, yeah, they have used for loop. I guess the process will be same only. Better approach is what? For int I fix one. Acha, okay, they have same like we did. Optimal approach is what? The addition of the other thing not in somewhere as a part. I don't. Let me just check the code only. Long max I long min maximum sum long sum 0. For int I equals 0, I less than I plus sum of array if sum ठीक है we have done. अच्छा if sum हाँ okay, so we have done the same thing, just I didn't understand why they have taken this long max I and long. अच्छा long is why they have taken long just okay, maybe it is in the question, there is anything written for why. Okay, so this is in the question only. So yeah, we have done this cadence algorithm, I guess. What should I pronounce it? Huh. So now we will move to next one. It was good, but it is considered in easy. Okay, bro. So our level is like we are not good. Just count sub array with a given sum. Yeah, I got a one question like this today from a student. I guess I should like do this one. Print the matrix in Spelman. Yeah, I have done this question like months before, but I no, not I have done. I was just watching the like lecture in that it was there, but I skipped that because it was too hard at that time. Still, it will be hard. So I guess rotate matrix by 90 degree. Yeah, this one is easy. This one is easy, I guess. How can I rotate to 90 degree? We have to exchange the, if I rotate a matrix by 90 degree, what it will be? The first row becomes the last column, the second row becomes the second last column. Okay, rotate 90 degree. How I will rotate? Like how I am choosing the question, if you are wondering. So how I'm choosing? I'm just like I read the problem, where what is the problem, and then I try to recall if I know the mechanism. I not the code, know the mechanism, or know the intuition what I can do. If I know something about it, like if मैं थोड़ा थोड़ा कर सकता हूँ, तो I don't choose it. If I'm not getting any idea, how should I do? So I will choose that problem. Rotate matrix by 90 degrees. Rotate matrix by 90 degree. How it will? Yeah, by using your what another your matrix. We can rotate by 90 degrees. This is a question. But if I have to do it in brute force approach, optimal approach, there is two approach. If I use the matrix one, what will be the time complexity? For matrix wala thing, for like using an extra matrix, what it will be? That time complexity will be like n square, I guess. हाँ, because matrix वाला question है तो n square ही होगा. So if in this question anything will be less than n square, then I will try this. I shall not. Complexity big of n square. Okay, optimal approach. Complexity. Okay, there is something. Big of n in n square plus big of n square. How it is better than the brute force approach if it is too big of n square? Big of array. Okay. Acha. Okay, so the like brute force this optimal approach is better in terms of this space complexity. In first one we are using an extra matrix na, so it will the space complexity will be big of n square. But in second one we are not using any extra space, so it is big of 1, and the time complexity increases, but it is like 2 times, like in addition we don't count that much. And yeah, I should have done this, but like while reading the this time complexity, I read this for transposing and reversing, so I got what it will be without using like array. It's like transposing a matrix, है ना? So what we do in transposing? Either we can use an extra matrix, or we will do, it inside that matrix. So in the second approach, they have done this inside the matrix. What they have just first transposed and then reversed. Yeah, first when you will transpose, let me check if it works. 1 2 1 1 1 1 0 1 1. If I transpose this, then 1 1 0. Oh, please, sorry, I ignore that. And if I reverse 0 1, hmm, hmm, what to reverse here? What to reverse the matrix? That is for reversing the matrix. How we? Acha. Uh, so if I rotate it by this one, okay, 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 okay. So, so what? Here the thing is that first we have to transpose the matrix, and then we have to reverse the each row. Then if we reverse the each row, then we will find that yeah 90-degree wala rotation. So 90-degree wala rotation. So okay, I guess this is done here. Like if I have not read this line na, then I would have definitely tried this, but now I will not. So okay, rotate by 90 degree. Got a new thing. What I got a new thing? Maybe something. Let's just not focus on. So now let's choose. What is leader in array problem? Leader. This one is easy question. According to the difficulty level of this sheet. Next we will do a hard question. Hard question we will try. है ना? First, this is the last question from the medium. I will try to do at least four questions. Like first took too much time here because of that last complexity. I think I should put a timer here in which I should do the questions in this much time only because now like this in this way it will take too much time. There is no timer in the OBS. I have to import it from the. Arey, Hana. Why I'm doing this much? I can just start a timer here in the Chrome itself, and then I can crop that window. Should I do the timer or not? If I do the timer, it will create a pressure on me. But I'm not doing it for like for something like I don't have any pressure right now. So I'm not doing it. So I'm doing it like for just for fun, like for chill. So I should just not put any timer here. So let me just open the window. Why I closed the window? Because I was checking something on the YouTube, like in the live stream. Is everything okay or not? That's why I closed the window. So leaders in array problem statement. Let me just quickly copy this. We will try this one next. Create a new file. 3.c. Why first one? First one I aborted. I will do this sometime. It was not like right now. It is not of my night like not in my level na. So let me just quickly copy the तुम्हारा question. Leaders in array. Okay, I'm pronouncing it as ladders. Leaders in array. Comment this one. Leaders in array. Problem statement. Given an array. Print all. Okay, let me just read first. Uh, given an array, print all the elements which are leaders. A leader is an element that is greater than all of the elements on its right side in an array. On its right. Okay. So let's example is that 4710 output is 710. Why? Why 710? Why not 7? Rightmost element is always a leader. Rightmost element. Okay. And 7. Okay. Okay. So let me just copy this one. Put it here. And I guess everything is okay now. Huh. Uh, okay. So I guess let me explain the statement. So we have to find the leader in an array. What is a leader? A leader is some any element which is greater than every element in its right. Suppose it's, let's take 4. 4 is not greater than every element in its right. What is in its right? 7, 1, 0 are in the right of 4. But 4 is less than 7. That's why it is not a leader. 710, in 710, 7 is greatest among like 10. So 7 is a leader. But uh, like see the 1 is also greater than 0. We are not checking it with 7 and 4 because 7 and 4 are left side element of 1. So we will check only with 0. So 1 is also greater than 0, like 1 is in itself it is a leader, and 0 is all, 0 will always be a leader. They have written because in its right, like rightmost element doesn't have any element in the right now, so that will be also counted in leader. So this is the statement, this is the problem we have to find. Okay, so let me just write the pseudocode skeleton code, I guess. Huh? I don't know what to. Skeleton code, yeah. Skeleton, not a skeleton. ISC using I listen. Arey, what I'm doing, yaar? I just started writing the code. Arey, yaar. Oh, okay, so this is the thing. Again I will use a function. Why I'm, so let me do why I'm creating function if I'm not. No, okay, for optimization. Yeah, definitely. Now what I will do? 4710. Okay. So the brute force approach will be what? Let me just first print the array, copy the array. My health is not that good because I did much exercise today, and my throat is also not good. Yeah. So let's just get back to the question. Let me just check the audio. The question. Let me just check the audio. The question. Okay. Uh, uh, Now we have this. So how will I do? Again, brute force approach. Brute force approach is the approach which is the simplest. Or so what I'm thinking is that we have to like same, yeah. What I'm thinking is कि I will create a sub array, है ना, 4 to 1 or 4 to 0, and compare if 4 is the uh, greater than all the 710. If not, then we will move to 7, and then again we will move 710, then compare 71, then 10, then compare 1, and 0 will be the तुम्हारा leader. So what I'm doing is, so let me just type for I less than तुम्हारा 4, I plus plus, for I first I will be 0, I ठीक है, then again for int j equals to I and not j plus plus, sorry yaar, what I'm doing, j less than 4, j plus plus, and what I have to compare, if what, if your I will be sorry, array of I will be less than your तुम्हारा any element in array of j, है ना? Got my point? Like first we will like fix this 4, है ना? And we will travel whole till here, and we will compare this 4 with all the elements one by one in its right. Then we will again fix 7, and then again we will traverse through whole array from 7 to 0, not 7 to 0, I plus 1, yeah. What? From 7, like 7 we will fix this, we will compare with 1 and 0. If it is array of I, that is, let's say 4 is less than array of j in some element, what we have to do? We have to just break the loop. And what we have to break the, and if not, like if we don't get the thing, okay, if not, then what we have to do? We have to print तुम्हारा what, print your this array of I, है ना? So uh, let me just check if everything is going right. Yeah, I'm not looking good in the topi. I will remove this. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Okay. So what I'm doing is, let me just check it if I'm doing everything wrong. Everything right here. 4710. Uh, on the first corner, I try to like do everything like this is not the optimized code, है ना? But whatever I'm doing ना, I try to do it with like all the correctness. Even if I'm doing very basic thing, if I do it correctly, I got a confidence. Like if I can run this, if I got any error, I can again modify it. That is also good, but I don't get the thing. So let me just check once for I. Okay, array, I'm just getting this will not work, this else wala statement na. Like it will run, let's say for 4, it will run for 1 2 3 times, it will run for 3 times. So what will it will do? First it will compare with 7, it will break off, like it will again it will go to 7, then I will be 7, then 7, for 7 it will run for 2 times. So 7 it will compare with 1, how then 1 when it will compare with 1, 7 is greater, so this else command should be executed, and else should return the array of I, like this 7, 7 will be returned. But again this will be like again this will go for, is will compare with for 0, it will compare for 0, again 7 will be returned. And for example, if I got something like, let's say here I got 3, है ना, like 2, and here I got 7, so what it will be? 4 for 4, let's say for 4 I am going with 4, 4 1, for 4 it will run for 3 times, it will first compare with 2, for 2 4 is greater than 2, so else command will be executed, and it will print off 4, but 4 is not a leader because there is 7 between this, like in the right of the 4. So that is why this should not work. I have to check that else statement. Like I know what I have to do. I got it. I have to create a flag, like after checking all this na, like 4 for I will fix the 4, I will traverse the whole array this from 4 to 0, and if any element I found greater than 4, then it is obviously not a leader. If for whole array there is no element greater than 4, then only I will call 4 as a leader. So what I have to do, this is like a prime, like in prime we use flag na, in third I will use a third variable na. So what I will do, for each we will just create a flag, in flag equals to 0, है ना, in flag equals to 0, if array of I is equals to 1, what I have to do, I have to do flag equals to 1 तुम्हारा, flag equals to 1 होने पे जैसे ही flag equals to 1 हो जाएगा, else flag will be 0, obviously we don't have to write else 1 wala. And after this one loop, this छोटा वाला loop, if flag equals to तुम्हारा 0 है, That means there is no element which is greater than तुम्हारा this I वाला element. If flag equals to 0, that means that is a leader. See out that array of I, else we don't have to do anything. Maybe it should work, I guess. Let's just end L. Hmm. Let me just quickly run it. 710, yeah, nice. So it is working, guys. This one is working, and this one was easy question. As we saw, it is easy question. And let me just try one more array. This one. This is from the example only. 1 2 3 4 6 1 6 elements. Array yaar, again I forgot to use it. Let me just create a variable. Yeah, it will take a little bit time, but it will be useful to optimize. Now I have to optimize also the code, na. There, the actual challenge comes. Like brute, you can do every question with brute force approach. Like whereas there is no foundation with your time and space complexity, you can do any question. You can just code a line, like too much code, lines of code, and you can do that. But that is not how the coding works. Coding is all about saving time and space. Like not, अरे I'm saying anything यार. ठीक है. So this is 6 one. What should be output? Let me just check. Output should be 22 12 6. Yeah, it's working. So the brute force approach, this should be the brute force approach. That means I think I should check. If I check, maybe I can get a hint, and then it would be easy for me. For the brute force approach, I will just check the complexity. Big of n square, I'm not checking anything. I didn't read anything. And then for the optimal complexity, big O of n. Okay. I didn't read anything after that big O of n. I just read big O of n. Okay. Oh sorry, forgot to open the stream. I open the window for you. But I didn't check anything. Okay. So I have to do the big O of n wala thing. So time complexity I'm getting, required time complexity, required time. From next one, I will try to do. Yeah, I will check, like I will check first key what is the time complexity of the most optimal approach. Then without even reading the question, then I will not get any hit, na. Time complexity is big of n. This is the required time complexity. Okay. So how will I do? Hmm, okay, everything is fine. Yeah, in between I just check if my stream is working or not. अच्छा okay यार, अरे यार, I should have made a function of this. I will comment out this thing, but it will be a little bit irritating for you guys. Like for me, obviously, for me also. Like whenever I go up, it will show up na in between. So what I'm doing this, I will let's make a function. I will not do too much thing. So what I have to do, void int array. Array, why I am doing this too much thing, yaar? Let me just quickly cut it and paste it upward. Control X, control, yeah, okay. So now what I will do, I have to do this in single. Again, we have used for two loops here, na, like two loops here. So the complexity big of n square. Now here we have to use for one loop only. yeah, if you're thinking how I'm using only one loop. So the time complexity like big of and square, this is generally like in this thing, you have to go through all the elements. So you have to use a loop only, and that's how I'm getting the idea. Like if you do some questions, then you will get an idea why I'm getting that. So I have to do everything in this loop only. How will I do? Let's check that thing. Okay, so mm, okay, so mm, huh. So everything is working right. So everything is working right. Acha, yes, I have. No, no, desktop audio is not working. हाँ ठीक है. I thought there is a echo, but there is no echo. Yeah, echo, but there is no echo. Yeah, echo, but there is no echo. Yeah, echo. Hmm. Whenever I check that thing, like I don't know, desktop audio. This is recording my, like whenever I check the stream audio stream, it goes in my audio input. I don't know how to fix. I will fix it in the next stream itself. Now let's just code for. I have to do everything in this single one, and what I have to return if the thing is the leader. So how I can do this? Let me again bring the copy pen thing. First I will do this in using this chota wala तुम्हारा set. It will be easy for me. Then I will do this bada wala set. How can I do? So what I'm thinking is that he, like if I travel through this one, if I go 4, I got 7. Oh, I guess I got the idea. Instead of going from this, if I go from this, है ना? हाँ, yeah, I got the idea. If I go 4, I will never know if 4 is a leader until I reach till 0. है ना? You got my point. If I go to 7, I will never know how this 7 is a leader until I go 0. So if I go till 0, this will, this will not work na. So agar if I go from behind, I know 0 is a leader. Yeah, I got the idea. Got the idea. It's simple. That's why it was an easy question. So what I will do? I will go the 0. Rightmost element is a leader. I will print it 0 as a leader. Then for 1, I will check the rightmost element. And rightmost element is 0 only. So I will check if the 1 is greater than 0. 1 is greater than 0, I will print 1. And then for 7, I will check 1 and 0. Yeah, if 1 and 0. And then I will print the 7. And for 4, I will check this 710. Will it go in one? How it will go in one loop? Like while checking, I have to again print a loop, na? Or like do a loop. We can do it in after sorting. Arey no, arey yaar, why am what? If I sort the array, what it will be? Huh? Map or set. We can use a container like set or map something. Set. Huh? We will use set of array. Obviously, I will use set. We will use set. I don't know how to use set. If I need any like small function, how to store, how to insert, how to delete, then I will like quickly search in the Google. So I got the idea. So idea is what? Let me just check if stream. So idea is what? Will travel cost of, yes, sorry. Will travel. I don't know if traverse is the correct word. Let me just check the meaning of traverse. Traverse meaning, like travel is obviously not to cross travel. Yeah, traverse. Okay, I will use traverse word now. So what I'll do, will traverse the array from rightmost side, है ना? And we will store each element. We'll store each element as we traverse through the array. And then what I'll do, add, like, uh, while accessing the element, I will check. I'll check if there is any element greater than the current element. Greater than the current element, है ना? This is the my तुम्हारा वो, like my approach. I guess this is the correct one. So what I'll do, I will create a set or set here of set. Oh, set. I don't know how to create a set. Well, I know create a set, but I don't know how it works. Create set equals to s only. It's not working. Set. Acha, okay. I have to for using HTL we have to like include set or include map or something. But instead of using that, you can just include this one. Set include bits. I don't know how it was. I don't know. SD std yeah std c plus plus dot h. Now we don't have to use this, I guess. देखो, instead of using including that, you can just include this will contain all the HTML. I don't know all HTML, but it contains the map and vector wala thing. Okay, set. Now what I have to do, first what I will do, first I will check if what array of I is in the set. How will I think get if in the set? S dot find what array of I. S dot find array of I not equals to, I don't know if I'm doing right thing or not. S dot and I hope that red marks up. Yeah, no, nice. It's working like map only. If array of I not equals to s dot n, what does it mean? Like is equals to s of n. Why I'm doing this? That means if that element is not in the set. I don't know why I'm talking too much. It was just a stream where I'm doing coding by myself. I don't know why I'm explaining, but it feels like someone is watching me, or like somebody will watch me. Not now, maybe sometime later. But okay. Mm. If h dot find array of I equals to, now I will talk slowly. Let me check if the voice is coming if I talk slowly. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, I guess it's working. Yeah, I have to work on my English also. Like I cannot speak English very fluently. I have to think about what I'm going to speak. समझ रहे हो ना? I'm saying. And also the pronunciation, like it's not clear. I don't know why it's not clear. Arey, I what I'm talking about. So let's just quickly do this. S dot find array of n. If that is not in the तुम्हारा set, what I will do? Set dot insert. First insert the element in the array of I. Nice. And inserting that I. Mm. Obviously, it will not in the set array. What I'm doing? Array of I. I will now talk less. S dot find array. If S dot find array of I, how I will find anything? Acha, okay, okay. Array, uh, what array of? Array, yaar, what I'm doing, yaar? How can I find any element in an set? How can I access? What I have to do? If for one element, what I will see first, I will see. First, let me just quickly insert. I have to insert each element in the set. So, anyways, I have to do it. I'm just doing it now. Okay. So in the array, for each element, I will check. I will check if there is any element which is greater than the array of I. How will I get? S dot find. S dot find what? S dot find an element which is greater than this. How will I do the? I don't know how to access the set. S dot find. So okay, let me just check the thing. How can I? Hmm. Yeah. How to find, how to access, how to use array find person in set gigs for gigs, find key. Oh, what I'm doing, yaar? Array not getting out. Check if a key is found, but check if some key is greater than something. Array yaar, I'm using ChatGPT. That will work for me. Yeah, try ChatGPT to find an element in a set which is greater than a certain value. not using loop for into if element I yeah we can use but yeah if I got a loop oh how if I use find statement will the time complexity be more using filter and using find using mean filter array array no yaar okay I got the idea what to do now oh okay let me just adjust the camera Ah, yeah huh. I just I just saw the screen now and I think I should this keep a one more window like what this problem statement should be somewhere है ना what is the problem statement how can I like what I'm doing is like this is the problem statement now from here to here from this one so I want this to be something stick in the corner or somewhere how can I do that I can do that by creating a one more window yeah let me just quickly do check if I can do that I can do that by do that window capture yeah no yeah I can mm, let me just think this yeah just a second mm, what I have to do first let me just try I will try in the next one abstract find can I do this I don't know how to do the set wala thing it should be easy yaar I don't know why I'm taking this much time अरे यार how can I do that hmm that I have to find an element. How can I find an element which is greater than a certain value in a set? I in the chat GPT it's showing this filter or something we have to use, or we can use loop inside loop. Then if I use loop, the time complexity will be larger. But if I use even if I use find statement find function, will the time complexity will affected or not? Uh, what is let me just say what is the time complexity of find function in CPT? Acha, depend on the type of in the set one in oh in okay. So maybe this will not be the if I use an on unordered set, the time complexity will be big O of 1, but in the worst case it can be big O of n also. But in this ordered set which I have used in say here, the time complexity is n log n or log n. I don't know. Log n, na? Where it will be log n. So maybe I should not use this. How can I do this? Yeah, I'm not getting the question. अरे यार, how can I do this? I'm not getting. Hmm. How can I do? I can't. Okay, so let me. I can use set. But if I use set, I have to use a find function, which will take and log n complexity. So the time complexity will not be like n big of n. So what I can do, I have to think something else. Mm, Okay, 4710. What I have to do? Like if I go from left, there is no chance I can get within one loop. If I go for, I should go from right only. If I go from right, like let's say 4710, 0 leader, yeah, 1, compare it with 0, 7, compare it with 1 and 0, compare it with 1 only, and then 4, compare it with 7 only. What if there is a like 4, 5, say 4, 3, 7? Oh, what? Okay. So what my approach is now? Let me just check if my action is good. So what I will Aditya Bora, hello. Hello, Aditya Bora. If you have any question, you can ask me. Okay, So what I will do is, I got an idea. Instead of using set, like what I'm doing is, just let me try to explain this. First, I go to not in this one, in this one. First, I go to 6. Hmm? 6 is a leader. I will print in this leader. Then I will store this somewhere. I will store this 6 in some like some variable. Let's say any variable. Then I will go to 0. I will compare 0 with 6. 6 only I will compare with 6. How? So, like, what is 6? So, 0 will not be leader. Then 3. So, instead of comparing 3 with 0 and 6, I will compare 3 with only 6. You got my point? Instead of comparing it with 0 and 6, I will compare it with the maximum element in its right. So once I compare 3 with 6, again it's less than the 6, so it will not be leader. So for 12, I will compare it with not with 3, I will compare it with 6. So so 12 will be leader, and then for 22, I will not compare it with 6 or 0 or 3, I will compare it with 12 only. So this way I can get the thing. Yeah, I got the idea, and I guess this should work. Just a second. mm, okay. So what I will do first, I will do key. I will create let's say variable, int a variable in which I will store rightmost element. Rightmost element is array of तुम्हारा size minus one. Yeah, size minus one is what? मतलब obviously out the make it outside. Yeah, and if array of I is greater than variable, what you have to do? You have to see out that तुम्हारा array of I hmm? And also if array of I is greater than variable, that means what? Like that means obviously that array of I will be the maximum element. It is the leader. Like what is here? Here we are doing 6. 6 is a leader. 0 is not a leader. 3 is not a leader. 12 is a leader. 12 is a leader. So we will store 12 as max element. So also we'll do var equals to array of I, and yeah, I guess that's it. That's it. Actually, that's it. Maybe. Yes, size minus 2. Size minus 2 because I will not compare the last element with itself only. Nah. Like, you got my point, I guess. Control Shift R. Check it. 1022. Array, what? Sorry, 1022. I got 10 and 22. That 1022. But what I know didn't get. Let me check what should be the output. तुम्हारा आउटपुट क्या होना चाहिए था? 12 22 22 12 and 6. 6 also will be the output, and I got 10 and 20 and 22. Why I am getting wrong? Let me just try on it. Okay. Hello, Aditya what? Aditya Bora. Hello. How can I? How can? But if we see. So okay. Anyways, let me just try run it quickly. So 10, 22, 12, 3, 0, 6. Variable will be size minus 2. Size is what? 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is what? 4, 0. Array of I greater than variable. Oh, अरे यार, The first step was we will traverse through the array from right side. Na? Array size -1 till where? Till it is greater than equal to 0. Yeah, now it will work or not. No, it's not working. What is the problem here? Array I -1 obviously. Uh, what happened? Yeah, it's working. 6 12 22. This should be the output. And for like 4 7 1 0, the output should be तुम्हारा 7 1 0. Output should be 7 1 0. Control V, make it 4. From next time I will use vector. I don't have to like do this size wala thing na. It's returning only 7, which is not right. Hmm. It's not correct. 7 1 0 is not coming. No? Oh, oh, okay, okay. Instead of storing array size -2, I will store it -1 only, and here I will just put an equal sign. It will work. It will work. Yeah, 0 1 7, and just the last time I will control Z, control Z, control Z. Like one more time, we will try to check. Hmm. Yeah, it's working. Yeah, the order is reversed like 6 12 22. We are printing. We can print in 12 22 12 6 also. How can we print? We can print it by storing these in some array and then print it from fib band or whatever we want. So like I don't think that should matter ki which way this is printing. Anyways, we got we got we got one question more. We go of n. This is we go fn, and let me just check the code. Let me just open that window, Chrome window. Yeah, so brute force approach. Uh, code, we will see code. Vector I0 yeah, this is the same approach which we used, but instead of this ignite, just a second. Yeah, so just a second, guys, just Hello, hello, hello. And why it's not working? I don't know why this is not working. I just 1 second. Let me just check if तुम्हारा voice is working or not. Let me just check if तुम्हारा voice is working or voice not. Is working, but I'm not getting my video. Why this? Let me fix this thing. Just a second, guys. Just a second. I have to fix the camera for. Okay, 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 okay. It's connecting. It's connecting. I got something wrong here. Let me just off this. Uh, guys, just quick. Uh, like wait some minute. I'll fix this issue. Why this is happening? I have to check the camera thing. Just wait a second. Why it happening? Guys, just wait a second. Let me just check if there is any important message in my phone. I will just quickly come to you. Uh, hmm, hmm. Okay, guys. So just a second. Just a second. Yeah. Just a second. Hmm. Okay. Yeah, just let me fix the connection. Yeah. Connected. Camera. Connect it with. Yeah. Connected. Just a second, guys. I'm fixing the camera. Okay, I guess camera is good. Yeah. So yeah, guys. Okay. Everything is fine. I'm getting a little bit cold here, so let me just quickly up the muffler. I don't know how to speak fluently. but I'm trying, because whenever I have to, whenever I have to speak somewhere, na, not like I don't usually speak anywhere. That's why I'm speaking here. Arey, what happened? Huh. Okay, let me just check if the stream is working. What just happened? Yeah. Okay, let me just check it. Yeah, working all set. So where I was. So we have done this question. We have done this, or we were doing this. Yeah, we were doing this question. Let me just open the window. Yeah, you can see this. Yeah, you can see this. Hmm. So this is one is the brute force approach, which is same as we did exactly, and using a third variable, using a flag variable basically. And for the optimal approach, what we are doing, complexity code, time complexity b coefficients is single time back. It will consume b coefficient of time. Array why am yeah, max array of n minus 1, array of n, okay, where n is the size. Yeah, n is the size, no, n is the size or what, I don't know, but n is the size, let's assume. And pushback on array of n minus 1, okay, one integer I n minus 2, I n minus 2. Oh, instead of starting from n minus 1, like here, uh, here is where, let me, array yeah, what I'm doing. Here we have use this na, size minus 1, instead of size minus 1 we can have like size minus 2, because the last element will obviously will be a reader na, so why to check that last wall element. So okay, that will not affect the code much. Okay, what I'm doing, yeah, Chrome, yeah. Pushback array of items. Hmm, same. It's the same answer. It's the same approach we have done. Little bit here and there, but the approach is same. So question is done. Let me just update the textual thing. Two questions have been done till now. Sorry guys, sorry. And yeah, so two question has been done. Let's quickly go to third one. Third one, just 1 second. Let me just take a quick bathroom break. I will be here in a minute. In a 2 minute. Let me just. Where is the text wala thing? Yeah. We'll continue at 23:30. Yeah. Okay. Make this small. हेलो 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 हेलो। हेलो हेलो हेलो। किससे बात करोगे भाई? So guys, hello, welcome back. and so guys, and yeah, so let's continue the stream. हाँ भाई, कैमरा ऑफ रहेंगे क्यों? क्योंकि भाई हमारे रूममेट को सोना है, सिंपल सी बात है. We cannot stream whole night. We can stream, we will stream, but some uh, other day. So for now, let's just continue. Question, दो क्वेश्चन हो चुके हैं. Target is at least we will do some like 4 or 5 questions. Four at least. So now let's select one more question. But let me just open the window. Close this one. So just let's select one more question, and I'll try to uh, attach that problem statement in the screen so you can see whenever you watch the stream. Uh, from from the hard part, I guess we can do from here. Like from here, we can at least think of the brute force solution, the easiest one, and in the optimization part, we take too much time, na. So for now, I'll try this some other time. Let's take a one or two question from hard one. Pascal's triangle. I guess I can do this. I have done this using that brute force method. Not brute force. I will not call that a brute force method, but for simply method like making a function for permutation and combination and then applying it in the pyramid वाला pattern है ना. वो तो आसान है. Majority element in n by 3 times. This is also easy in brute force solution, but not in the optimization part. Optimization part में कुछ तो खबर होगा. See, some problem is also easy in brute force solution, but not in optimization वाला part. For some is same. I guess we should do this only यार 3 7 4 some, so that at least we can do this type of question in future also. So what I should do? Count number of surveys with a given k. mm, Merge overlapping subinterval merge. अरे sorry. Merge two sorted arrays without extra space. अच्छा, merge overlapping subintervals. Okay, there are too many questions.
हेलो।
I will take one
कितना टाइम लगता है
from
उठाने में
somewhere.
ना?
What I will do?
क्या?
Okay, so
हाँ हाँ, अच्छा तो वो मैसेज पढ़ के
what I'll do is there are
तो
some
फर्स्ट टाइम
disturbance,
नहीं
guys.
उठाया
Just a
था?
1 second. Just one
एक
second.
सेकंड रुको।
Hello, 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 hello. I guess
हो गया ये गया
गया गया वो.
भाई अगली बार पूरा
Hello, 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 hello. So yeah, guys,
ये
I'm back.
वापस आएगा क्या नहीं
I'm
आएगा
back. Now let's just select a one more
बता
question.
दियो गेट में कोई आएगा
हाँ ना भाई. Just
क्या
select one more question. One, not one more. I will code until I get bored. I'm not bored yet, and I'm not exhausted also.
टेंशन आ जाता है वही गेट
Pascal's triangle, majority element. I will like take one question from
चलो
here
मैं तो
at
खुद
least.
बना दूंगा उनसे रात को काम
Maximum seven.
अरे भाई
Let me just check.
नहीं
Here at
कुछ
least.
है उसके बेड में
Maximum seven.
अरे भाई
Let me just check. Here at least. Ha- Hello, hello, hello. Yeah. So guys, background में कुछ आवाज सुनाई देगी. Like if someone is talking. So guys, just like that is not me. मतलब that is my roommate obviously talking to someone. You know whom he is talking. तो ठीक है भाई क्या कर सकते हैं. Just pay attention on my voice. If I can, let me just check if I can like what I can suppress the. Just a second. Maybe I can make the thing.
क्या हो गया इस लड़के से
Hello, hello, hello. Hmm. So guys, I I think I cannot do anything about this. ठीक है. सुन लो भाई जो भी बोल रहा है. Even I am not listening yet. That is just the background constant voice. So okay. Let's just quickly select one more question and do that thing. Okay. So we have. I'm not taking any question from here. Like maybe that will be here, but I have to search. Now what I will do. What I will do. I have a question on my WhatsApp. Like a boss send me question, so I can, I will, what I will, yeah, array, so I will do that question. So, what is the question is that, key given an array of integers, array, and target integer k. Find number of subarrays such that the sum of the subarrays. Okay, so let me just write the problem on the code VS Code, and we will mark it as code.c. Yeah, code.c. Okay, so mm, given an array, given an array. Oh shit, yeah, I don't know. The problem is light is off. Sorry. Given an array of integers and target integer k, array r, and target array r. Let me just given an array and uh, target integer k. What I have to do? We have to find the what we have to find. We have to find the number of subarray. Find number of subarray such as subarray such as the sum of the subarrays. Okay. Such that the sum of subarrays. Okay. Okay. So guys, it. Array yaar, sorry. Yeah. So guys, this is the question now. I guess you are guys are watching. Okay, so this is the question. Okay, so what I have to do, this is the question ki given an array and a target integer k, we have to find the number of subarrays such that the sum of the subarray is k. Okay, so like obviously you know the you understood the question na? So let me just first in this thing I will do, I will try to, let me just क्या क्या कहते हैं, let me just paste a screenshot over here so that you guys can see also the question na, otherwise it would be little bit difficult. Okay, so just a second guys, just a second, I will do a thing here. Okay guys, so yeah, I was not getting light, now I'm getting light. So what I'm doing, key, I will just crop the image so that you guys can see. And instead of cropping, I could have just typed the array ना. अरे यार ना, that will not work.
क्या हुआ?
नहीं कुछ नहीं.
बोल ना, बोल भाई.
So what I'll do कि I will just put a text here.
ये बंदी जाओ फिर किसी ने
Okay guys, so there is some disturbance, but ignore that thing. अरे यार, where was I? हाँ, yeah, I was showing a text one, just control V here.
अच्छा पैकेज बना रहे थे बनाओ.
Can we have a enter thing here? Yeah, now this will work, bro. Okay. So the question is this key. Sorry. अरे यार, what I am doing? अरे why it's not upside down? What just happened? अच्छा, I just make it too much small that it flipped. Yeah, it flipped basically. I cannot make it much smaller. I can make it, bro. Yeah. So maybe this is a good in the there. Okay. Yeah, let me just type. This is the problem statement. Otherwise, you cannot see. Like nobody will see. Yeah. In caps lock, problem statement. Okay. Okay. So guys, yeah, I can make it a little bit more good. Why the tab wala thing is that side? Yeah. How can I make that problem statement? Why it's not moving? I don't know. And now it's working now. Yeah. Problem statement given an array and a target area given. It's a very such that sum is okay. Now without wasting any much time, let's just quickly code. So everything is okay. Even I can remove this thing. Okay. So let me just try the skeleton code. Guys, I'm here only. I'm just typing the things. I will want to. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9. Yeah, okay. So what I'll do, target, let just give a target that will be 3 to 5 and 6. 6 plus 8. Okay, so this is the thing, and the target number will be what? Target number will be 6. So the output should be what? Int target equation is what is shown here. Yeah. So in the output we have to write, like we have to, what we have to give. Acha, what is the problem statement? Problem statement is let me check. I don't know myself the word. Okay, so we have to find a number of subarray. That is like here the target output is 6 na. So let me just check here. That is like here the target output is 6 na. हाँ, so होगा क्या कि the target is 6 here. So we have to find number of subarray, not the subarray. We can find the subarray also, but let's just not do that. मतलब not for now at least. So the target 6 is like 3 to 5 and 6. And then this, like this is one subarray. Subarray is something, a contiguous array. Like we cannot say like 5 plus 1 is 6. That will not be a subarray. So a contiguous subarray 3 to 5 and 6. This will be one subarray. This 6 will also be like, it's a single element, but still it will be a single like subarray. So 6 will be a subarray, and 3 2 1, like this is also 6, so this will also count. So the output should be 3. Let me just write output equals to 3. Yeah, fine. So what I'll do is key sorry. Yeah.
वो किस क्या हो जा रहा है उसको मैं ज्यादा खास
Okay guys, yeah. So my first approach will be what? What will be my first approach? Subarray, we have to find the maximum subarray. Yeah. How can we do? It's pretty simple. Like we did like last question, na? Like not last, first one, na? Brute force approach, accessing all the subarrays and checking if the sum is. So in the same way we can do this. Like how we can do this? For int I equals to 0, I less than 9, 5 plus plus, then for int a equals to I, obviously j less than the or 9, and is the size a plus plus. Array, instead of 9, let me just use a general variable size of, sorry, yeah, size of array, not the brackets, yeah, divided by size of array of 0. So this will be size, and in mine I will get size here and also here size. So yeah, this is like, I will not explain again the like intuition what I have done here, what I have done here. this will access all the sub arrays one by one. And now what I have to do, I just have to check if there is any, any sum which is equals to 3. Array, instead of doing it with big O of n, like if I can do it with big O of n cube, big O of n square, and how I can do with big O of n? Yeah, okay, got it. I don't know, but I have done somewhere a two pointer approach. No. Okay, two pointer approach is a binary search, not this sub array wala search. यार, what I am doing here? So what I'll do, this will access all the sub array, and if sorry, I'm getting a bit sleepy. Maybe I'll stop after this question. Maybe after. Let's see. I will not exert much pressure on me. At least not for now. Maybe in some future. Maybe. So sum equals to sum of array plus 1. So for each j, na? Yeah. Here. Sum equals to your like k, not k, target. What do we have to do? We have to increase count plus plus. Got my point? And int count equals to 0. And at last we have to return okay. Yeah guys, so what I am doing, key, like the simple is that we have to see out the count or a thing. Let's just quickly check this. Okay, one. Nice. How it's one? Now I have to check everything. So why it's one? Simple error, it's one error because of that chutia pati. Sorry. I didn't like again I have to do here na in some instead of initializing here I should have initialized here na. Now maybe yeah it will run again. The thing is same, like we have done that before. So a minute guys, just let me check the like what. Everything is working fine. There is some background noise. Obviously, that is my roommate talking to someone. I don't have to clarify who is. There is some background noise. Obviously. Okay. Now, what I have to. Yeah, guys, so there is some disturbance. This is boys hostel, तो यहाँ पर ये सब आम बात है. So yeah, this is working. But the problem is that in this we have used big O of n square complexity. So we can do this in big O of n also. Yeah guys, sorry for the thing. काफी लोग आ जाते हैं भाई. Okay, so what I have done is here
अबे
कि
बात बंद रखनी भाई, बंद नहीं था तो गूगल पे।
so what I have yeah so yeah I just checked, like I asked the person who gave me the question,
लेकिन आपको
and the
डांस करना
time
बहुत
least
है।
time complexity is big O of. Okay guys, sorry, too much disturbance. I don't know how in night there are too much disturbance. So yeah, so we have to do it in big O of n time complexity. And how we will do, let's see. So first I will comment out this because this is the brute force solution, and I don't think
जाने को तो झूठ से बता रहे हैं,
anybody
एक
will
तो
know.
ईयरफोन मेरा लगा हुआ है। तो सुनाई नहीं दे रहा पायल का और पायल का चिल्लाया बड़ा।
Okay, so yeah, so basically we have to do everything in this loop only, in this loop, like video of how we will do. mm, so I have to travel only once and I have to do the thing. So the out, what I'll do, like the same approach. uh, okay, so the approach will be what I'll do, he like same, like I will start from one, I will start one, then two, till the some, like अरे यार, how can I explain without copy pen? I can't even explain with copy pen also. So int sum equals to 0, okay, and int maximum, let's just, I don't know, no, int count at least, obviously int count is there.
मेरा भी मन कर रहा था काट दूँ
Let me this upside. Okay, yeah.
जैसे आप काटे थे वैसे मैं काट दूँ
अब करना क्या है हमको? Yeah, if you're wondering why I'm talking in English, because I don't know, yaar. I started in I I actually didn't think of it anytime. I'm just thinking like now. So yeah, what I have to do? Yeah. So what I'll do is key. I will first, like, this is the thing that you have to do. Obviously you have to do it, and you have to do array of I. No. Now what I'll do? Key if, obviously if, first of all, we don't have to store that, position. So if somehow sum exceeds, like, nahi, first the obvious case, if sum is equals to target, है ना? So what you have to do is increase the count. Yeah. And again, what I have to do again, that if sum sum is greater than target, like if sum is less than target, we will add it, obviously, है ना? If sum is greater than target for somehow, है ना? Like for example, if I get 1 2 3, I'll increase count to 1. Then what I'll do, then if I get 1 2 3 4, what I'll do, I will drop the 1 wala part. Got my idea? I will drop the 1 wala part and I will just sum the 2 3 4, and 2 3 4 4 3 7 2 9, it is still greater. Then what I'll do, I'll drop a 2 1 also. I'll the only, like, include 3 4. It's still greater, I will drop the 3 also. Then 4 5 is 9, I will drop 4. Then 5 6 is 11, I will drop 5. Then 6, yeah, 6 is, we want 6 will be the tomorrow target. So 6 3 9, I will drop 3 6. Okay. So what I'm doing, if sum is greater than the target, no, sum is greater than target, first of all, what I have to do, first we have to first, like, we have to do the two things. First we have to drop the last element. Last element of what? How can we know what is the last element?
इतना कम क्राइम को ले
This is also the problem. How can we know what is the last element? So for last element, what I'll do, I'll just make a variable, like a pointer, like, which will function as pointer starting with 0 for each sum array. If sum, then just क्या कहते हैं, if sum equals to count plus plus, and also we have to do हमारा last plus plus also. Yeah, last plus plus is also, why last plus plus? No. Let's see. So first we have to drop. What I'll drop? How I will drop? I will drop sum minus array of last. समझिए ना? This is the dropping वाला thing. We have dropped the thing, but as soon as I drop the element, let's say 1, then last will be what? Last will be the just 1 more than the its previous one. So the last element will be 2. So what I'll do? I'll do the last plus plus also. है ना? I guess it's working. Maybe Arey, if I got the copy pen, I can done it little bit more faster. But okay. Hmm.
Also, very soon.
Is it working? Will it work? Am I missing some anything here?
अरे यार बोर्ड्स का होता है ये सोच रहा हूँ मैं अरे
Hmm.
बोर्ड्स होता है
Maybe this can work. Maybe यार, I don't.
फिक्स होता है
अरे यार, let me return something ना. What I will to return?
फ्रेंड्स वालों को तो फिक्स
Count.
होता है
चलो.
ऐसे
It's
कौन
giving one only. I have to dry run it. So okay, let's try run it. Yeah, guys, this should be my last question because
आपको खुद का भी तो
my
एग्जाम है आप
throat,
भी नहीं पढ़ रहे
like
हो
I can't speak too much. Yeah. Yeah, let's see. Okay, so just let just do a dry run. So guys, yeah, I got one problem here. What I found is that key, let's say first it will take one, sum is equals to one, then sum is equals to two, sum is equals to three. When it will be three, the all sum will be six. This condition will be executed. Sum equals to sum, count plus plus. Count will be one again. Then again this whole will be 43729. This will be greater than your target value. So what will be sum minus array of flash? That is sum. That is like this minus one. So this 3 to 5, the 9, sum will be 9, and last will be plus plus. So last will be 2, and then again it will go here, and it will take this 5. So this is the problem. When I drop this now, I have to again check. I have to again check. क्या if sum equals to target after dropping the तुम्हारा लास्ट वाला एलिमेंट है ना. if sum equals to target, obviously what I have to do, count plus plus. Okay, and if it is not, if like again if sum is greater than तुम्हारा वो टारगेट, तो क्या करना है तुमको. अगेन तुम यू व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, अगेन ड्रॉप द लास्ट वाला एलिमेंट. How will we drop the last element? Let me just quickly place it here. Yeah. Last plus plus then, and now again we same cheese, sum minus array of last. And yeah, I know there will be some condition where last will be overlapped on the like element itself. I don't know. I will make.
वो ऐसा
Yeah,
करना
I
कि
don't know.
ये
Yeah,
वो करेगा वो
let's see. Some minus. So there is a recursion type situation until the sum. Okay, 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 okay. So instead of this, we can what? If sum is greater than this, then what we will do? While sum is greater than your target, है ना? We will just do the thing. What do? We do this thing.
आईसीएस भी थोड़ा कम
What we
होता
do?
है
कि sum minus array of last,
हाँ
ठीक है? Last plus plus simple.
हाँ
If sum equals to target, count plus plus simple. And again, yeah, got it. And instead of k, we have to write target. Uh, will it work or not? Why it's not working? अरे what's अच्छा Hmm,
एडमिशन
hmm. I don't know why it's not working. What is the problem here? Let me just check. अरे यार, I'm not bored yet, but I'm just getting exhausted kind of thing, na? I don't know why it's not working. Say out count. It is stuck in this loop. Okay, what the heck? I am doing sum minus array of last. What is that, bro? I have to make sum equals to sum minus array of last. Na? Like what the hell I am doing? Yeah. Yeah, now it will print something. Yeah, hi 3. Yeah.
हाँ उस टाइम
Okay, guys. So obviously we have done the 3 questions. Yeah, let me just update the thing. Question number 3. Text 2. Yeah. And question done.
कौन सा सीपी
Third. Okay.
हाँ
So what I have done here? Key. So this is the thing where we are getting the अपना काम. Let me. Should I check one on something else also? I think I should check. Yeah. I'll just modify this one. Let me 437 437
होगा भाई
32527. Let me make it 2 and make the target one 7. Shift star. It should return 2. If it returns 2, then it's working fine. Yeah, it's working fine. Yeah, we got our thing. Time complexity is big O of n here in this code. We are big O of n, yeah. In, yeah, like while sum of target, like little bit big of, like more than little bit more than big O of n, but yeah, it's big O of n. We will not count that thing. So yeah, guys, we did one thing, and I got some confidence, but the problem is that in this 2-3 hours I just did only like how many questions? 3 questions, yeah, literally 3 questions. Okay, so okay, done. Can I do one more question? Can I or should I not? I don't know, yaar, if I should do one more question. Hmm. So, yeah, I got one. क्या कहते हैं? I got one more question here in the क्या कहते हैं? From that person.
No, 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 no. You
Let
must
me
have
check if I
seven
can do
plus.
this. See, the other two questions are from वो string part,
तो नहीं
and
पूछा
I'm not confident in the string wala part. I can do array problems now, and I'm doing that only.
तुम हॉस्टल जाता
But
कैसे
I should
आपके बोर्ड
like
से
expand my area so I can learn more things. So,
कितना
mm, yeah. So there is a question given in the array of integers. Acha na, we have done this. So there is a question like string s is given and you need to find longest substring with all distinct characters. Maybe we can do this. It's like similar to finding longest sub array which have all the distinct element. Maybe
नहीं सच्ची में मैं
how can we? Yeah, we can do this, na? यार? Yeah,
लेकिन
we
मैं
can do
छुपा
this.
के रखता हूँ सीरियल में
Should
जाके
I do this or not? Hmm. Maybe we can make a give a try. If I don't get
यार
anywhere,
तो बोलूँ
yeah,
चलेगा
okay.
यार बहुत शॉर्ट
So I'll do till one, then I'll sleep. So yeah, let's do one more question,
मजनू ऊपर से फिर
and then we
बेबी
will
बेबी
stop the thing.
बोलेंगे भाई क्या करूँ
So now,
लेकिन है मस्त भाई वो मेरे को पसंद तो बहुत आ
okay. So now the
मैं
next
बार
problem.
बार भूल
Let's
जाता है
just quickly. This is will be the last problem
जैसा
most
सोचता
probably,
हूँ वैसा हो जाता
and I will do some other day. Let me just type the question here, then we will do the question.
है पता नहीं यहाँ पर कब से यूज
Okay,
करते
so
हैं
the question is कि just a second guys. The question is कि given a string s and integer k. Okay, given a string. अरे यार, I don't have light. That is the problem. That's why I'm not
बारिश हुआ भाई
able to type too fast. Yeah. So 4 dot c. We have to make a 5 dot c. 5 dot
तारीख को चली है
c. And okay. So problem statement is given an string s and an integer k. No, not this one. We have to. अरे ये वाला क्वेश्चन हाँ given अरे यार what I'm doing हाँ given an array given a string s ठीक है
तो एक्स फैक्टर क्या है
and we
और वो टाइट रूम था तो अंदर हवा
we have to find the we have to find the longest substring which contains all the all which contains all distinct characters
आप ही करते हो दूसरे जानते हैं
distinct characters okay so क्या है string s is given you have to find the longest substring अच्छा you have to longest substring okay
क्या बोल रहा था
so this is the question but the problem is कि I don't have confidence in string so even if I can do this still I will like I will my speed will be slow this is the main still my speed is slow so
अरे भाई देखो
mm,
ठीक है तो दूर है थोड़ा सा
So yeah,
वहाँ जाके
so I will
नहाओ
modify it in the
ठंडे
terms
पानी
of तुम्हारा
ठीक है और वो तो
array,
खुला है
not
ऐसे
array. Yeah.
मतलब खुला नहीं है
Let me
बंद है
just do this in
बट
copy
विंडोज
and
वो वेंटिलेशन
paste
हाँ
there.
वेंटिलेशन ओपन एरिया वो हाँ
And this thing properties.
अरे क्लोज रूम है मतलब ठीक है तो ऊपर वेंटिलेशन है तो ठंडा हवा
Yeah, nice. Okay.
क्या बोल रही है मेरे को बोल रही
Okay, so guys, yes, the problem statement is updated, and now
है मैं
we
तो
will
अपना
do
कहानी
thing.
बता रहा हूँ
So what I'll do is key instead of you know instead of going with string directly, first I will go with your तुम्हारा
अरे बताओ क्या समझ
this
नहीं आ रहा है
array.
मैं ब्लैंक हो गया ब्लैंक
So
कर गया मैं वो हो गया
what I'll do, this will be a like back titration something. No, array not back. I don't know. Indirect titration. Instead of string,
ठीक है तो वहाँ तो
I will
वेंटिलेशन ठंडा हवा इसको सर कर
I
सकते
will do the
वो नहाओ फिर वहाँ से
do
फिर लौट के
the
अपने रूम तक आधा ही शरीर हो गया पड़ेगा
same
दर्द
thing
बहुत है
with
दर्द है भाई
with array of
मेरे को
the
तो बहुत दिक्कत होता
okay. Let's just write a skeleton code.
है
I'll just
रॉड में दिक्कत है
do some snippet which can write this skeleton code.
तो ये और ज़्यादा झंझट नहीं है रूम से पहले आप बाल्टी में
Name
पानी भर के वहाँ तक ले
std
जाओ मेरा एक बाल्टी से पानी
into main
पापा डालते रहता हूँ बहुत ज़्यादा
then 0. If someone is watching, tell me why we use return 0. Why don't any other other number or something? 0. Yeah. Now what I will do? Key into 0. I will create an array.
खेल के मजा आ गया तो इससे
Array
पहले
of
तो
let's
ये
say
आगे
तुम्हारा
चलाएगा तो आएगी
9 element. Element में
लेकिन ठीक है
1
पूरा
comma
पूरा दिखता हुआ है
1
इसलिए नहीं
2
खेलता होता ज़्यादा स्ट्रिंग
3
खेलूंगा
4 5 6 2 to 4 to 6 1 7. Again I will just repeat one, just like 3 I will repeat, not 4. 4. Okay. Okay. So here what I have done, longest subarray which have all the distinct element.
नहीं बताओ
So
मैं नहीं
there we have 1 2 3. This can be longest 3 elements. 3 4 5 6. So this will be the longest obviously. So we have to write. Acha.
अरे है ही
What I have to give this or. Acha. हाँ ठीक.
बता
So
तो
we have to
सारी
return this one. 3 4 5 6.
सारी से
This
आ रहा है
this we have to return.
क्या बोल रहे हो आप यूनिवर्सिटी वाला
How can we return this thing? So now I can do this. Yeah.
अरे
I
हाँ
have to use
रिप्लाई
some
करने वाला था आज
that वाला. है ना? हाँ that वाला चीज. I can use that thing and I can do. I can do many things. Yeah. I'm not. I don't want to stream anymore. I am exhausted. To be very honest, I'm not bored, but still. Okay. So let's just think something now. If we come up with something. Hmm. If I use the set wala thing, I just realized one thing. If I use set, so in set we can only put the elements which are different. Like if I have put three in it, and in future I am again putting three in it, so I cannot put that. So what I'll do, I will do map thing. Okay, I can do this with set, but I don't know currently. I don't actually have studied the STL part in C++. In fact, I don't have studied CPP in. I just have studied C out, C thing, this vector and all. So I have to study. I'll study some time. Okay. So now, what my approach is same like I was doing before. Just a second. Mm, Again, my map wala thing is coming in my mind. I don't know if that is good because in that, look, first I will pick one element. Like I have to do this in big often. Obviously, can I do it in like brute force approach? We can go for brute force approach. How we will same the thing? We'll access all the substring, and inside the substring we will check if any substring contains like double element, but that will be like again the same app to the like faltu thing. So now I will try to do it in bigo or fan. Array, let me just ask that person if it is in bigo or fan or bigo or fan square. From that I can do this, no? Maybe array, that person is not, that person is sleeping now. So okay, so now what I have to do? So guys, I think I should sleep. Yeah, I'm not. I'm not bored actually, yeah, but my like my throat is too much paining and it's hurting whenever I try to like swallow. So I guess I should stop. So yeah, yeah. So guys, hmm, let me just put a thank you note over here. That would be good, है ना? Uh, yeah, let me just put a thank you note. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have watched, if you have watched anything, and what I'll do, keep we'll do the remaining part wala questions done 3. Yeah, we have done the 3 questions, and I have learned, yeah, I have learned something, but yeah, I don't have learned anything. Yeah, I've just used some like things which I know previously, na. So in like in further stream I will learn. I don't know, I should stream that also, because while learning, like I will watch video or I will read the question or I will like read the examples. I don't think that should be streamed now. While I'm applying logic, I will stream that only, not studying. So yeah, and we'll do the next question in the later part. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, and yeah, thanks you very much. I will do further stream. Maybe I'll do game wala stream. I wanted to do game wala stream, but today I don't know yaar. Like I'm using this college LAN na. So with college LAN I cannot cannot operate Steam. So I have to play with my phone's internet. I will play someday. and here the internet is not good now. So I'll try. I'll do some game while I stream. And video I will do video. Yeah. Right now I'm stuck in something, yeah, some project. I will just do that thing quickly and then I will come here YouTube and do some